nilagang buto-buto ng may beans. Yan, sarap. Bitsuelas. Beans, yan. Yan, sarap. Nilagang buto-buto at saka bitsuelas, yellow beans at saka pichay. Sarap. Sarap ang ulam. Sarap. Ito po yung aming ulam. Kain po tayo. Sarap. Ayan. Sarap. Bitsuelas, yellow beans at saka buto-buto, pork bones and yellow beans, and then pichay. Sarap. Yun ang ulam po namin. Soup, yellow bean soup at pork bones. Please continue support my YouTube, subscribe and watch and share. Thank you for your kindness and generosity sa panood ng YouTube ko. Please help me to grow my YouTube. Thank you. God bless.